babes, and welcome to the first impression of 2020. I was gonna say like 2000 and then I said 2020, whatever. I asked you guys in my latest video and I have not seen what you guys voted for. That is so bad of me. Sorry, just one second.
There's a world of people out there just guys are anymore.
I always watch my own commercials because I need cash. Hey babes! You want moving and decorating vlogs, which I'm so excited about, and you do want videos of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. 82% said yes, which I am very happy about because this video is me trying out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. As you guys know, last year they did a palette with Amrezy as well. I have 3 of the shadows that we need to use today because it looks absolutely amazing. I do not really know who Amrezy is more than that she's beautiful. So I wouldn't buy the palette because of her. I'm not a fan, you know. I so miss, by the way, their velvet palettes. I really don't like glittery one. I think it looks... What is happening? I think it looks like a little cheap somehow. Or maybe I'm just off about it because I really miss the velvet ones. Here we go. You guys can see they have a bunch of mattes, pigments, glitters, mattes. Did I say that? I think so. I really want to try out Liddy and Barb and Anastasia though. Let's just swatch them a little bit. These are like glitter shadows. Oh, what? Liddy is like a pure glitter with gold and purple, and then we have the shade Barb that is like just, ooh, it looks wet. Ooh, I love it. But yeah, let's just get started. I have already done my base and brows, as you guys can see. Also, you guys can probably see that I have lenses in today. I have a blue and then I have a brown, and then also I've changed up my jewelry. I have been obsessed with gold, so I now have a gold tunnel. I have 2 of these gold little piercings, Medusa piercing that is gold and like super tiny, looks petite. Then I have a fake septum because I really want a septum. All right, you guys, let's just get started. I am first going to go in with OG. I feel like these ones are pretty much the exact same color. This one is a little bit more warm tone, but I felt like it's a little bit weird to have both of those in the palette. Be sure to remove the excess of these shadows because they are very powdery, as we all know. Okay, we're gonna start in the middle, or not the middle, what? The inner corner, and I'm going to... Ooh, this was a lot darker than I thought it would be. These are so pigmented. I love them. I'm gonna bring this up and then in the crease, and then link these together in the outer corner. Woo! That was a lot. I am going in with 1988 and I'm just darkening this look. I'm gonna go in the inner corner, outer corner, and just blend it slightly into the crease. Ready for takeoff. I look like a panda. Yep, I do. I'm thinking we should do a Barb first and put that as a base. And I will try and like massage this into, oops, the middle. Ooh, that looks cute, right? Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then we will also put it right in the little hole here that I've made. I do feel like I want something more extreme, so I think that Liddy is going to be perfect for that. I am gonna go in with some of the glitter adhesive, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this product. Some of Liddy on my finger. Ooh, no, shit. I was like first, no, this didn't work, and now I'm like, excuse me? Excuse me. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is a lot, but I love it so much. I'm gonna go in with Anastasia underneath my brow. Gonna use it right in here. Just one last thing. I'm actually gonna go in with the black one called BK, and I'm just going to darken it a little bit more. I feel like it's just like the same color right now. It's just brown and gold. So I'm just gonna darken it a little bit. We shall see if I can do that. This might look way too much and just sloppy, but it's just how I like it. I like it trashy and quick and messy. I am going to apply some lashes. These are from the Pen Cosmetics and are called Marcel. And then I will go in with my favorite Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. I have decided that I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick on Mute from Anastasia, and also the liquid lipstick in Sand. I think I'm gonna go in with the gloss, and this is the Shimmer Waves, also from Anastasia. Or this maybe? Ooh, I don't know if I like it. I don't love it. This one. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Plumping Lip Polish Brunch Drunk. This on the bottom, so much better. If we're gonna start off this year being like a little bit skeptical or not as positive as I'm pretty much always am. You guys know when I do first impressions, I'm mostly very positive, but that is just because I can see a positive thing in like every product. For this palette, I'm not sure if it had to be done. You guys tell me, would this be something that you would go and buy? I love the eyeshadows from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love the pigment of these. But have I seen a palette like this before? Yes. Would I buy this if I didn't have it already? Yes, I would, because I'm a nerd. But you tell me, would you buy this, or is this a no-go for you? I want another palette with a color junkie, please. I hope you got something from this video, or if you just wanted to see me again, maybe you guys missed me. I hope you did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will have an amazing day. Bye guys.